Writing facts. Women who live in warmer climates have more body image concerns than those who live in colder climates. Women facts. Women try to stop snoring during pregnancy, as studies show that women who snored during pregnancy are likely to give birth to babies who are small. Teenagers facts. Most teens may not get enough sleep. Adults usually get sleep earlier than teens. This happens because a sleep hormone called melatonin is secreted at around 10 p.m. due to the body's biological clock. This hormone is naturally secreted a little later in teens, making them SLE. Technology facts. Google's annual income is greater than $50 billion. Smoking facts. Cigarettes were part of soldiers' rations in World War II, and Americans were asked to send cigarettes to soldiers as a part of war effort. Sleep facts. An interesting one. Sleep makes you more creative and makes your memories stronger. Daytime naps improve memory and cut the risk of heart attack. Sixth sense facts. Anything that is captured in your subconscious mind will directly affect you in the form of emotions, circumstances, and events. Psychological facts. Psychology says being sad with the right people is better than being happy with the wrong ones. Phobia facts. Ophidiophobia is the fear of snakes. This phobia is quite common and often attributed to evolutionary causes, personal experiences, or cultural influences. Personality facts. Friendships between men and women is often viewed with suspicion, mistrust, and even enmity. People facts. People are more willing to give money to someone whose dress style resembles their own. OCD sufferers are driven to carry out complex rituals known as compulsions, which are triggered by obsessions. Men facts. Women and men process information differently. Men use mostly the left hemisphere of the brain, while women tend to employ both hemispheres. Love facts. A hug longer than 20 seconds will release chemicals into your body that make you trust the person you're hugging. Laughter facts. Not a coffee drinker. That's okay. Laughing shortly after you wake up can have similar effects to drinking a cup of coffee. Next time you laugh right after getting up, notice how refreshing it feels. Jealousy facts. Jealousy is a complex emotion that encompasses feelings ranging from fear of abandonment to rage and humiliation. Introvert facts. Those who are introverted do not necessarily want to be alone all the time. However, they do tend to be more comfortable with their own thoughts than others. Hunger and food facts. You should never drink tea or coffee with meals. Tannins in tea and coffee prevent absorption of certain nutrients. A cup of tea with a meal will have the iron you get from it, whereas a glass of orange juice will double it. Human body facts. The colossal squid has the largest eye in the animal kingdom, averaging over 27 inches in diameter. Human behavior facts. Getting someone to do you a favor makes them like you more. Health facts. The strongest people aren't always the people who win, but the people who don't give up when they lose. Happiness facts. There are approximately 18 different types of smiles. Scientists have classified expressions that range from an amused smile to an embarrassed smile. General facts. Viagra was created by accident. Friendship facts. Mutual respect for each other's company, plus a good knowledge of each other's quirks, likes, and dislikes is good for the marriage. Spouses who are friends try harder to make repair attempts during a spat. Extrovert facts. Extroverts love traveling and love exploring new places and experiences. Emotions facts. People constantly compare themselves with others and feel satisfied if they are superior in some respect. Depression facts. The average video gamer is typically 35-year-old male who is most likely depressed, overweight, and introverted. Colors facts. Blue is often used to decorate offices because research has shown that people are more productive in blue rooms. Children facts. Laughter not only increases a child's capacity to remember the humor, but it also gives a feeling of security and contentment. Brainy facts. MRI testing has shown that a canine brain reacts similarly to sounds of joy and pain in much the same way as a human, meaning that dogs are able to understand the differences in human vocal intonations and the meanings behind them. Brain facts. In a study, scientists found that students who ate foods that did not contain preservatives, food additives like artificial flavors and dyes, did 14% better in IQ tests than those that consume with these substances. Body language facts. Putting feet on the desk gesture may express a lot of things: bad manners, disrespect, trying to show who the boss is, or even that the person cares about their own health. Psychologists believe that if you feel comfortable in this position, you shouldn't rest like this. Attraction facts. In order to become more beautiful or to maintain their beauty during the Middle Ages, wealthy and noble females would swallow arsenic or dab bat's blood on their skin to improve their complexion. Animal facts. Vampire bat's teeth are so sharp that its bite may not be felt at all. Their saliva dulls any pain, so a bat may drink its victim's blood for up to 30 minutes. Anger facts. When two people have a fight, the angrier one tends to be wrong. Anger can cloud judgment,